How to fix MoneyGram application not working issue. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix MoneyGram application not working issue. If you are facing issues with your MoneyGram application not working, then here are several steps you can try to resolve the problem. First of all, confirm that your device is connected to the stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You'll also need to check whether your application is up to date or not. For that, you will need to open the Google Play Store, and in the search bar, you will need to type in MoneyGram money transfer application. Once you search for it, you will get different search results here. Find the authentic MoneyGram application and open it. Here, this application is not available in my country, so I'm not able to proceed further. But if this is available in your country, you may find the application in the list. You simply need to tap on it to open it, and inside it, if you found the update button, go ahead and tap on update. Once after updating your application, you can use your credentials to log into your account. But if you didn't find the update option, that means your application is already up to date. If your application is already up to date and you're still facing this issue, then you might need to clear cache and data. For that, you will need to open the device settings. In the settings page, scroll to find the application option. Tap on apps to open it. Inside it, here you will need to locate MoneyGram application and tap on it to open it. As MoneyGram application is not available in my country, I'm not able to clear the cache of my MoneyGram application. But if this is available in your country, you'll be able to see MoneyGram application from this section. Once you find it, you will need to tap to open it. Inside it, you will need to find the storage option. And once you locate the storage option, here on this page at the bottom right, you'll be able to see clear cache option. The exact steps may be different depending on the device model. You will need to find this clear cache option, and once you find it, tap on it to clear the cache. Once your cache has been cleared, you may also need to clear the app data, but note that this may reset your settings within the application. If you want to do so, you can just tap on clear data option and clear the data. After that, you can simply restart the device and use your credentials to log into your account. Even after doing this, if the problem still persists, you may need to uninstall the MoneyGram application from your device and then again reinstall it. For that, open your Google Play Store, search for MoneyGram application there, and once you find the application, tap on it to open it. Inside it, you will be able to see the uninstall button. Go ahead and tap on that uninstall button and uninstall it from your device. Once it gets successfully installed, there you'll be able to see install button. Simply tap on that install button and then reinstall it on your device. Once the application is successfully reinstalled, you will need to use your credentials in order to log into your account. So by doing so, you will be able to fix MoneyGram application not working issue. If none of these steps work, then there may be some issues on system. Sometimes issues may arise from server outage. You will need to look for the MoneyGram's official website, which is moneygram.com, or any social media for any announcements regarding service interruptions. If that's the case, you will need to wait for a while and try it later. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.